teamLab is a Japanese collective of professional creators. Borderless is their most famous museum, attracting millions of visitors every year. You need to book ahead to get in, it's that popular. We spent 3 hours in the museum. Here is a brief view of what we saw.
Some of the rooms are hard to find.
いくつかの部屋は奥まった場所にあります。
Artworks leave rooms, move through the halls, and enter other spaces.
作品は部屋を飛び出し、通路を通り別の部屋へと移動します。
The artworks in a room change over time.
つまり同じ部屋でも時間によって違う作品となります。
Enjoy this one continuous borderless world.
境界なく連続する一つの世界をお楽しみください。
The use of flash is prohibited. Enjoy the moment. Thank you.
There is a special tea house inside the museum. We had an ice cream and a cold mocha coffee drink. As long as the cups are filled, you will see digital flowers blooming and butterflies flying. When the cups are empty, the light show finishes.